Hello and welcome to this video on conscious dreaming. In this video, we'll be exploring the science behind lucid dreaming and the techniques you can use to experience more control in your dreams. Lucid dreaming has been a subject of fascination for scientists and philosophers for centuries, and in recent years, there's been a surge of interest in its potential benefits. So let's define conscious or lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming refers to the ability to become aware that you're dreaming, while still in the dream state. It's a unique experience that allows you to take control of your dreams and explore your unconscious mind in a safe and controlled environment. Research shows that with regular practice, you can develop the ability to experience lucid dreams and reap the many benefits that come with them. The benefits of lucid dreaming are numerous. Studies have shown that lucid dreaming can have a positive impact on your mental and emotional well-being. It can help you process unresolved emotional experiences, face your fears, and improve your self-awareness. In addition, research has found that lucid dreaming can enhance creativity and problem-solving skills. Let's learn some techniques for lucid dream induction. There are a number of techniques you can use to induce lucid dreams. One of the most effective is reality testing, which involves checking throughout the day to see if you're dreaming. Let's break this technique into a step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Training. Waking life is your training ground. Dreaming life is your playground. Start a reality testing habit. Make a habit of reality testing multiple times throughout the day, to develop the habit of questioning reality in a dream. The most common methods of reality testing include checking the time on a digital watch, looking for text that changes when you look away and back, and trying to push a finger through the palm of your other hand. Step 2. Intention. Set an intention for lucid dreaming. Before going to bed, set the intention to become aware that you're dreaming when you enter the dream state. This can be done through affirmations, visualization, or simply telling yourself that you will become aware in your dream. Step 3. Playground. Practice reality testing in dreams. Once you enter a dream, it's important to continue reality testing to confirm that you're in a dream. This can be done by checking the time on a watch, looking for text that changes, or trying to push a finger through your palm. Everything must be performed in the same manner as during the step 1. It may take a little time before you perform your first reality check in one of your dreams. But, with enough of correct practice, you are bound to succeed. Enjoy your lucid dream. Once you become aware that you're in a dream, take a moment to enjoy the experience. Lucid dreams can be incredibly vivid and allow you to experience things that are not possible in waking life. By following these steps and practicing regularly, you'll increase your chances of having a successful lucid dream. In conclusion, conscious dreaming is a fascinating topic with a wealth of potential benefits. Whether you're interested in exploring your subconscious, facing your fears, or simply having more control in your dreams, lucid dreaming is worth exploring. With practice and persistence, you can develop the skills necessary to experience this unique and empowering state of consciousness. Thanks for watching this video on conscious dreaming. Like and subscribe for more videos on the science and techniques of lucid dreaming.